Question 11. Remember, before watching the video, please redo the question. If you get it right, add it to your worksheet and move on. If you get it wrong again, please watch the video. To get this question right, we will need to look at Table 2. We see that R stands for the number of marked snails, which are the snails that have nail polish on them. And N, that stands for the estimated population size, which we see calculated at the bottom using the number of snails that were marked initially, the number of marked snails, and the number of unmarked snails. The question now asks us to consider the possibility of nail polish wearing off on the snail shells, and wants us to think about how this would affect the number of marked snails and the estimated population size as a whole. So if the nail polish wore off, then this would obviously affect the number of marked snails. So B and D can be eliminated. However, it may not be as obvious that the estimated population size will also be affected. But if we looked at the equation that I mentioned earlier, this one right here, you will see that the number of marked snails is used in the equation to determine the population size. See, right there. So if the number of marked snails decreases, then the estimated population size would also decrease. In short, R and N will be affected, which is why C will be the right answer. Remember to add this question to your worksheet and write what you learned.